I wanna see you wine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum, diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum, diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy that you're calling me.
Bum, diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy that you're calling me. Well, you don't have to be the last one standing. Well, show me you could be the one.
Keep me rocking, I'm ready to love you. She can be a girl, I'm so much you.
Nunca la voy a perder, me quiere que me falla. Baby, mira tu allá, sorry, oh, no, no.
I wanna see you wine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum, diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum, diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy that you're calling me.
A bum, diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy that you're calling me.
Very party animal, quite dramatic, so excited for her birthday. I think every individual person she's called and said, oh, I am excited for my birthday, you know. And so we are all here dressed in that way to make her feel special. She's very special in her own ways. She's creative, she's shopaholic, she is cleanliness freak, she loves people, she's caring, she's loving, she's a social animal. And yes, you can see it when she's coming here all to you, you know. Yeah, that's what.
Well, let me tell you, red carpet consists of lot of hot gossips. So as you mentioned this, she is scary. I heard that word you said, that scary. How is Mittal scary? Can you tell me?
She keeps a hold on everybody when it comes to fashion, when it comes to presentation, when it comes to house cleaning. I mean, you know, there's a terror. There's a terror all over when she's around. You can't be innocent when she's around. You have to be like in her shoes. Okay, am I ready? I'm like perfectly dressed. Am I talking presentable? You know, I mean, there are so many things I have to work on. And everybody, my kids, I mean, oh my God, the different level of terror they have when her Masi is around, you know. So, yeah, but then in short, I think she's really upgrading us. She's improving us, and we love that seriousness in her, you know. Yeah.
I think the energy which Mittal has, I think before 5 years you did not have it. After she has entered to your life, that energy has literally reached to you, and I could see that, I could sense that energy. Dipti, we love you as an red carpet. Thank you so much, and you can have Mittal so that I can ask questions accordingly.
I mother-in-law.
Oh wow! I am more excited to get more gossip. I am excited. So,
No questions, please.
no. Okay, then give me answers, of course. I'm gonna ask questions and you're gonna answer. You need to tell me 2 good habits of your Who Bani Parvati's Bahu.
She is very caring
Okay.
and very sweet, good.
Okay, there is like one habit you like most about Mithil.
Most
Yeah. One habit you like the most.
caring.
That most was something like that. Oh, did I ask the wrong question?
Caring.
Caring is the most amazing habit you like the most. Thank you so much since you said like no questions, like 2-3 questions I did ask it. Take care. Okay?
I'm Priyanka, Mithil's childhood friend.
Oh my god, nice, amazing. So, as I mentioned, मुझे मसाला चाहिए. तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि as a teenage, did Mithil had crush more than 3 or 4?
She's against crushes. In fact, हमारे भी तुड़वा लेती थी.
What? Okay. और ऐसा कोई हॉट बॉयफ्रेंड जो मुझे जानना चाहिए, like जो तुड़वाया था, मुझे उसकी स्टोरी जाननी है. I want to know about it.
Let's keep that personal. It's ours.
Okay, since it's a red carpet, you and me right now is personal, so we can just have a talk about it. You guys can hear it out.
One word for Mithil, Miss Perfect. Miss Perfect. She always wants perfection in everything. Even if she's studying, everything should be perfect. Even before studying, she'll do her yoga, asana and everything. She wants everything to be on time. Very strict.
Okay, with that I get to know that she is Miss Perfect, so she wants her friends, boyfriends or crushes to be Mr. Perfect also. कि मेरी दोस्त है उसको तो अच्छा मिलना ही चाहिए, kind of, is it like that? And that's the reason वो तुड़वा देते थे. Yeah, as in like why did you take so much time? Are you lying? How much lie have you said it right now when you're talking to me?
No lie. I never
Paka. Sure?
I don't think there is a requirement to lie anytime.
Okay, so मैं ये पूछ रही थी कि मित्तल के कोई क्रश थे क्या?
I said no, she's against crushes. The only one and only one, Mr. Sumit.
Oh, nice. So she has cracked my question. I was trying to make her say, and she was like very smart enough. So thank you so much, Priyanka. We are good to have you there at Kabe. Can we have you? Oh my God, yours the perfect masala compliment. मुझे ऐसा लगा था सिर्फ सासू माँ से निकलेगा, but नहीं, जेठानी is there. But जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, Mittal's personality. I don't seem like you are the best friend of Mittal. Is it right?
No, I am.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, you need to tell me 2 bad habits of Mittal which you don't like, and you can just tell it to me, right?
Tell you in secret, okay? One that I don't like, she gets a little.
Oh my God, I'm getting late. That's not even a bad thing, to be very honest.
But what I like about her is what she's super caring, thoughtful as. I don't know, I think she can think for everybody. Not just her or anybody else, but she can think for everybody.
Okay, so she's kind of like that. Yeah, okay, she's kind of like that. तुम मत सोचो, मैं तुम्हारे लिए सोच रही हूँ.
सारे मेरे सारे कपड़े मैं क्या पहनूं नहीं पहनूं वो सब उनको याद है.
Okay, so this dress is also decided by her.
No, that's not what. But what it is, you know, always for any event. Bobby, you have this. Why don't you wear that? Why don't you wear these earrings? The accessories are decided.
Okay, so
Because she's
suggestions
that I had, and I never remember that I had these also.
She is keen on everybody. Like who is wearing what? Who is having what? And I should take eye on what.
Be perfect.
Okay, yeah. Miss Perfect should see everything perfect. If someone is not perfect, I make them perfect so that my eyesight is good for the perfect. Okay, very good. Nice. Okay, so what is the take on your dress today for the red carpet? I want to know. Why did you choose this dress?
Just because it looks. That's my style.
Oh, that's my that's Zordar डाले हो गए. Thank you so much. We had favorite Masi के birthday पे आए हुए हो. So I want to know, have you ever told Masi, oh Masi, you're looking hot, huh?
Every day I would write a story saying my queen, goddess, all of that. I'm her biggest.
Okay, what qualities of your Masi you feel like, यार ये वाली तो मुझे चाहिए थी?
She's very organized and she knows exactly what she wants to do, and that is something that I really admire about her.
Okay, so any of the habits which you have inculcated since you didn't have it, watching Masi, you have done it.
She used to like, so when I wear anything, she looks at me and she's like, oh, this is nice, this is not nice. I do the same with my brother. Yeah.
Okay, alright, so now it's time to call your brother and then more masala. Can we have a huge round of applause for brother? Masi has a good little one over there, right, of sisters. तो क्या आपने, जैसे मैंने नेहा को पूछा वैसे आपको मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, have you ever told Masi, Masi looking hot now?
Not my style.
Okay, so have you ever complimented your Masi ever?
Yeah, sure, but I'm sure she doesn't need compliments. Half the world tells it to her already. So,
Any damn good, okay, any damn good, okay, if she gets ready. If you feel like she doesn't need a compliment, dude, she needs 100,000 plus compliments. So never ever think that girl doesn't need a compliment. So whenever Masi comes in, I want you to compliment her 3 good compliments right there. I'm gonna give you the mic and you have to get. So you can give her test trials right now. 3 compliments which you would like to give to her.
wow, Masi, you look too good today. Your hair is wow. Oh, those nails, my god.
ये किसने सिखाया आपको?
Group effort of my Masi, my sister, and my mother.
Oh, that's again we have a huge round of Masi and mother. Thank you so much अपने बेटे को एकदम काबिल बनाने के लिए. He's ready for a girlfriend. Alright. अब आएगा मजा. Not really? Not really. Okay. Your name is? Jenna. Jenna, I like your name firstly. So can you tell me your relation when you met Mithil first, when she was going to marry your brother? So what were your thoughts when you first saw Mithil?
So there was no thought. Not thinking anything. I can just say latest relation with her is just like a friend, sister, buddy. We can talk any shit, whatever I like. I don't have to think. Or I'm sure that she doesn't have to think what she's talking to. That's it.
Anyone who wants masala, can I know the question if you wanted to ask something? Jenna, मुझे एक बात ऐसी बताइए जो आपने मित्तल की नोटिस की है और आपने कभी उनको बताई नहीं है.
Notice की है.
And you have never told her.
No, I can't.
Hey, girls can never say that they
See, I can just say everybody was just talking about her as perfection. Okay, she's very well organized. Everything is being spoken. Now, what do I talk about?
You talk about your
I can just say that I can say the OCD problem has come after when she's got married in this house. That much I can say. Her neatness, her cleanliness because of my mom. Okay, now the dress what she's wearing is also, we had decided something else. She said, no mom, you're not wearing this, wearing something else. So some things I can say she's changed after she's got married, and something was there inbuilt.
Is that because of your brother?
No, that I cannot say that regarding my brother. My brother is a very simple guy, very sweet and very, you'll come to know. But if OCD comes, it is all because of the food. Everything was there. Perfection, organized and everything.
Whereas I think if a guy is very silent, the girl needs to be very energized. Is it like that? No, she is energized any which ways, but I think looking at your brother, she has grasped his power also. The entire energy which Sumit had already, she has it all right now. I think the energy level has done into 2x. Is it like that?
My brother has got the energy from her. My brother was very calm, relaxed, chilled, not that too much of this. Because of her, he started doing many things. He started, I think he's gained something from her.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you so much.
Brianna, it was nice talking to you. You can have a seat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pass on the mic to any time. You need to say good qualities or bad qualities about Mithil. Okay, if you stop, then you are not the friend of Mithil. So make sure, so you have to make sure. So you need to make sure whenever mic comes to you, you need to say something about Mithil. Only one word. Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1 and go.
Powerhouse, dancer, hip hop dancer, chulbuli, stunner, smiling, bubbly.
Oh, you are scared.
Shiny, astounding, blingy, fashionista, always looking for a new dress, fun person, party, accessories,
Diva.
winning, gorgeous, nightclub.
Alright. So first one is you and you, the second one is the winner guy. You are the amazing friend of Mithil. I see you. Because जो अपने दोस्त को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं उसको ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ता तुमको पता है कि अपना दोस्त यही है. But hey, I was just kidding about trying to make more gossip about it, but that's not the thing. Well, what's your name? Priya. And you met Mithil? In school. School friends, oh my god.
Our kids are school friends.
Acha. Your and her kids, they are friends. That's why you guys are friends. So nice, very good. Okay. And you met her?
We just randomly met, like a common friend obviously, through her, and we met, and then we met again, and then we planned for a trip, and we went.
Okay, so it's like मेरे दोस्त के साथ हम मिले, फिर दोस्त को छोड़ दिया, हम दोनों मिलने लगे. That is what happened with girls. Okay, all right, yes.
I met like since my marriage, 11 years.
Okay, 11 years back. And what's your name?
Isha.
Isha. What is that one memory you would like amazing about Mithil you had spent your friendship with her?
31st December.
31st December. What was it? What was it? New Year party. What had happened in New Year party? I want to know.
Later on.
Oh no! I think there is something coming up. but 31st party में ऐसे तो गए होगे ना? कहाँ पे गए थे? कहाँ पे गए थे? Where did you go? Place?
BSc.
Okay, BSc you had gone, and when did you come back home?
3, 4,
3, 4, 5. Like it's late. Okay, all right. And you had who else had joined you? And so that's why you guys became friends. And who else joined you guys? Acha, husbands. And she was also with Sumit, right? Okay, and Acha, okay. So Sumit's gang. And that's the reason of you guys met Mithil. Very good, nice. Alright, thank you so much. It was nice talking to you. You can have your seat. Can we have a huge applause for you? But since I got to know from your wife that you all are Sumit's friends, right? You are come for Sumit's wife birthday party. So what are your expectations today? What she is going to wear today? Because I think Sumit और उनकी पार्टनर को देख के आपने कुछ तो जजमेंट पास किया होगा कि this couple is now like this. How much years you have met like together, you and Mithil?
8 to 10 years.
8 to 10 years. So this is a very simple question, right?
16 years.
16 years, and you? 15, 16, 10 years. I think you guys. I think he's making a 7 crore deal over there on the call. So yeah, so I want to know that what judgment do you pass for today, like how they're going to look today? Are they going to pair up today, like matching clothes, and what probably they'll be wearing? ऐसा कुछ, क्योंकि आप 15 साल से जानते हो, आपको तो पता होगा कि वो पार्टीज में कैसे ड्रेसअप होके आते हैं. Mithil is very keen on fashion. So मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपका क्या टेक है इस पे?
It has to be classy and blingy for sure.
Classy and blingy. I know boys. जिसने आंसर दिया है हमें, हमारा भी सेम is equal to 2. Copy.
Sumit will be underdressed.
Sumit will be underdressed. I don't think so. Today it's not possible.
Sumit and Mithil will be playing big black.
Okay, they will be in blingy black. Okay, what do you think? Similar. I don't know what boys go around. I shouldn't be. मुझे एक जन का पूछना चाहिए था यार, बट कैसा होता है, बॉयज ऑलवेज आंसर क्वेश्चन जो इसने किया बस हमारा भी वही है, हमारा भी वही है. डोंट यू फील लाइक यू शुड बी स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड?
very simple creatures.
Okay, you have been very simple creatures.
Men are always simple.
No, men are never simple creatures. They don't understand anything. Girls, do you think that? Boys don't understand anything. You need to make them understand. Girls out there, girls, only wife. Yeah, the wife. Of course, wife, not the other one, right? That's not a happy moment for you. Anyways, I'm gonna ask you 2 good habits of Sumit and 2 opposite habits of Mithil. Like both of them, which are like 2 opposite habits.
I need to think about this.
15 years,
Bad habits of Mithil.
opposite habit of Sumit. Like 2 good habits of Sumit and the same opposite habit of Mithil.
Yeah, I'll start with him. I need to think.
Sumit is slightly stubborn.
Okay, he's stubborn, and what about Mithil? Oh, that's fine. Okay, second. 2 I said, right? Okay, let's go with you.
Mithil is more presentable, getting more responsible, and Sumit is the polar.
Today we are going to change nothing. What do you think about it?
In both the cases, Mithil has to
Acha, okay, Sumit is talkative? I don't think so.
Yeah, very, very.
Sumit is very talkative.
And he'll tell you the story.
Okay, so the family members of Sumit, I think Mama is here. Yeah, is Sumit like that? You give him a word and he'll show you the paragraph? Oh, very talkative. Yeah.
Well, one more habit is Mithil is more punctual, Sumit is not. Absolutely not.
Okay, but today he has to. Okay, alright. One more, anything? Okay.
When you say talkative,
Talkative, yes.
generally when you sit for late night, sitting, so that time Sumit starts at about 10 o'clock, he ends at about 3 o'clock. That you to make him quiet. And
Alright.
same story.
अच्छा, make him quiet. Okay, आपको जंग करनी पड़ती है उसको चुप कराने के लिए. क्या बात है? Very good. Thank you so much for joining us. Can we have a huge round of applause for the boys over there? Music. While you're looking just pretty gorgeous, and I think your mom is gonna love it the way you are dressed today. And what are the 3 things you like about mommy a lot?
So one thing is I literally go to nanny house for my mummies. They are so entertaining. I love being with them. And she makes really good food. And I'm never bored when I go to nanny house. I can honestly just go and stay there for a lot of days and it's never boring.
Okay, that's amazing. And what you said that entertaining, as in like what does she entertain you like?
So it's a thing when I'm at nanny house, no one sleeps before 1:32. We'll sit, we'll play board games, and it's honestly fun. It's like a vacation home, and it's really nice.
So it's like just take your entire body and just put it at mommy's place, and then you have the entire entertainment at your desk. Okay, that's amazing. Can we have a huge round of applause for Tiara? Thank you so much for joining in. And now, what we're gonna do is. Mithil, you're looking so gorgeous. Oh my god. I was just. I was interviewing all your celebrities of your life, and trust me, I got so many things about you. And watching you right here, walking for the red carpet was so amazing. First of all, you look so cute. Oh my god. Alright, so what we're going to do is, we got some surprises planned for you. But before that, we're going to have some hot gossip with you. So, everyone, are you excited? So this chat is called Hot Gossip with Ridhi Varma. So we're gonna play some coffee with Karan kind of quiz with you. So we'll just arrange the chair right now and that's it. Everyone, I request all the family members to please stay silent and please settle down. Settle down. I am amazing and we got the star of the show, none other than Mittal joining us. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mittal? As I mentioned, this is a red carpet theme and you are all the celebrities of Mittal life. So now I am going to ask a few questions with masala, hot gossips, and what she likes and what she doesn't like. Alright, well, this is Riddhi Varia, your host, and we have Mittal on our hot couch. I'm going to answer a few questions which I'm going to ask. So everyone, I request you want the entire audience. Are you guys ready to hear out from Mittal? Alright, are you ready? Alright, let's go. Before we start, Mittal, what you would like to say about today's arrangement? And I want to know, for this party, I got to know that you had a lot of glitches happening behind the scene. So would you like to tell me? We want to know. Because behind the scene, there is amazing things which goes on. We want to know all of it. Let's go.
I got not asked. The outfit has been the biggest glitch for me in life. So, firstly I was down with alterations and finally when I was happy that I'm done, it's all I'm ready for tomorrow. Today when I fit into the dress, my dress was not fitting me. There were some issues. I sent it to the tailor, again it came back, again issues, then kuch na kuch can't and all karke somehow now I have managed and I'm sitting here. God forbid I stay here for
Alright, I hope the confidence which the dress gives you, because girls के लिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है. उनका confidence, उनका presentation, how they look is more important. And I hope your dress is comfortable right now. Of course. Okay. Alright. I also got to know that you are too much into like what I'm going to wear next, what I'm going to do this, how it's going to be. You were asking so many questions. Like surprises, बता के कौन करता है?
So basically ये party surprise ही in a way actually surprise नहीं है, ये मैंने खुद के लिए surprise. So I've been telling each and every of my friend, my family, everyone कि भाई मेरा birthday आ रहा है, मेरा birthday बजा रहा है, मैंने कुछ कर लो, you know, anything. फिर finally कोई कुछ कर नहीं रहा है, मुझे इसे क्या करे, then I told my mother-in-law, मम्मा मेरे लिए कुछ तो करो, then my mother-in-law like, सुमित तू बुक कर, अभी कभी इसका पार्टी अपन प्लान करेंगे, मैं सब पार्टी प्लान करूँगी. So now mom has finally and all my family has put in all their heart and soul and all my friends are here and I'm waiting eagerly. सबको मैंने बोला I don't want gifts but I want some surprises from your end. Now let me see.
Of course, we have a lot of surprises for you planned out, but you need to answer a few questions about this. Okay, you always look beautiful, glowing, happy. Have you ever, or what's the longest you have been without shower?
Without shower?
Yeah.
Just a day.
Just a day?
Yeah.
When is that time when you feel like I don't want to shower kind of?
I don't even remember. It's like I think probably very exhausted or just want to do nothing. No, just no time to do anything.
Okay, when you have no life left, you are like I don't want to shower. Okay,
very rare moment.
नहीं हमारे इसमें ये तो क्या खूबसूरत लड़की है, हम जैसे लोग तो यार मम्मी नहीं है, पूछ नहीं रहा है, हमको घर पे कुछ काम है, कोई मिलने आ नहीं रहा है, भाई हम तो नहीं हो रहे हैं यार, हम नहाने नहीं जा रहे, हमें कौन पूछने वाला है? Okay guys, what's the best lie you have ever told without anyone finding out? Like, you have never told that lie, but you know that you have said a lie. Nobody has caught you till now.
So if you not caught me, then why do you want me to get
That's the gossip. That's the masala I want, right?
I don't know. I think this is a very difficult question to answer because I myself.
I want to know, and now I want that lie to come in from you only. I want that to be done today. क्योंकि आज आपका birthday है, आज कुछ भी बोलो, you can just tell it. It was just for a joke. It was just for fun, you can say that.
Okay, so I did my post-graduation, I did my MBA and मैंने ऐसा तो ये बोला भाई मेरे को आगे और पढ़ना है, वांट टू डू समथिंग इन लाइफ, और मैंने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन किया. बट द अंडरलाइन फैक्ट वाज यू नो कि मेरे को तुरंत शादी नहीं करनी थी, तो थोड़ा और डिले हो जाए इसलिए मैंने एक और डिग्री आगे ले ली.
I think this thought maybe your sister knew. No, they didn't knew that also.
They came in, I think they knew just a few years back or something.
Oh, शादी के कितने साल हो चुके हैं?
It's been 15.
15 years के बाद ये सच निकला है कि मुझे जल्दी शादी नहीं करनी थी. Oh my god. All right. That's it. Okay. You are a shopaholic person, so as well you look into your appearance a lot. What do you think? YOLO is your mantra? Is it?
Definitely, definitely.
Like, what do you think about it? Like, YOLO में आप क्या-क्या mention करना चाहते हो? What do you think?
So basically, I feel wherever if I am in that room, even for a moment, I feel I should be there where a person should remember me, and you know my presence should be felt in a way that they will remember me for the good things.
Yeah.
So I try to be more energetic, more active, more happy, so that you know the choppiness or bubbliness may carry on to people.
She is actually a superstar because superstars do that. Alright, next. Who is your fashion icon, Miss Diva Mittal?
Fashion icon.
Yeah.
You're talking about celebrities.
Yeah, someone who you adore more.
I think the Krika Padukone is one.
Yes.
I like J-Lo a lot.
Okay. Okay, if given a chance to you, which celebrity you would like to play a role one day?
I think I'd like to play Alia Bhatt.
Oh, nice. That's cute. Okay, and you look cute also, so of course. Since you are about the bar and fashion, what looks good do you like judging people's outfit and gossiping about? Some have you ever done? Any memory you have?
So I don't have a habit of gossiping about people, but yes, if I don't like and if that person is very close to me, I would really point it out to them so that you know
Next
better
time
हो
they
सकता
are
है.
with something
तो कहीं ना
better.
कहीं I think in my niece and nephew थोड़ा खौफ है when they're about to meet me, they are like we have to dress good otherwise Masi is going to you know.
That's amazing. Okay. Who would you give the title of Bay and J in this room? So Bay and J is an American pop star couple. They are like an influencer couple, married couple. So who would like in this room you would like to give them title
Oh,
of
that
Bay and
couple
J?
would definitely go to Ritesh Bhai and Sneha Bhabhi.
Ah, that's nice. Okay. Okay. Last question. It's your birthday today, and we have teenage also around. What's that one thing one should never say to their crush? Did you apply to yours also?
So I
What a
all
silence.
my crushes, I think you'll ask my friends, they will tell you I had none.
Yeah, I got to know that. Yes. Yeah. So मुझे ये भी पता चला कि आपने बहुत तोड़वाया है उनके रिश्ते.
मुझे बताते ही नहीं थे वो अपने रिश्ते में. मैं I used to start you know parents क्या सोचेंगे, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग, ऐसा मत करो, high on value.
Okay. So what you would suggest that one should never say to their crush for the teenage boy?
I think I'm a very wrong person for that.
Oh. Okay, alright, that's amazing. Nice talking to you, Mittal. We have one surprise. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. We got many surprises for you. So we have one surprise which I would like you to join us to the audience and watch it out. Alright, and for the same, I would like
Skit, especially for my sister Mittal. For 40 years, उसने हमको बहुत परेशान किया है बोल के. तो एक terror था वो. We reached your expectations, Nitu. And let us start with this little red carpet feel, yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, fashion icons, VIPs, and fabulous friends. Welcome to the Met Gala 2025. The red carpet has been rolled out, the champagne is chilled, and the paparazzi, well, they are probably lurking outside. But today, the only star we are here to celebrate is the birthday queen herself, Mittal of Mittu. Turning 40, fabulous 40, and looking like she's just checked out of a Vogue cover shoot. So, a few things about her. bronze, and probably changed outfits between each medal ceremony. Yeah, that is the energy level what she has. But in all seriousness, we love her for you. Because she shows up with her whole heart and is said very caring, lives out loud, and reminds us all how to love big, laugh hard, and walk through life like it's a runway. So please give it up for Mittal of Mittu. A very big round of applause for this diva, for this beauty queen. And now, before we dive into some fun and chaos, allow me to take you all to the 4 iconic eras of Mittu. Each more iconic than the last. Let's take a moment to appreciate her evolution. Let's take it back, way back. Before the glam, before the drama, before the high heels, we had version 1.0. The original release, the tiny tornado era. Curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Mummy's pet, is that you? Yes. Okay, and that will be a small video for her. Also known as the teenage tomboy era. She was a real tomboy that moment. Forget all this glam and all, this was not her. Yeah. Effortlessly cool, casual cute, and one killer accessory. Can anybody guess? One killer accessory she always has with her. All round. Can anybody guess here? Oh! One killer accessory, her hairbands, which she practically lived in. The moment she got up, the moment she left, like that was the one thing which she practically lived in. She was sneakers over stilettos, chill over chaos, and in her own genre. So let's celebrate that cool girl with a heart of gold. Yeah. Of course, he's handling it all. So this is a decade of adulting, bills, big decisions, brunches that turn into therapy sessions, and discovering that beer is cheaper than actual therapy anyway. Yeah. So she was climbing the marriage ladder, slaying the 9 to 5, handling kids home, and still managed finding time to dance her heart out, party hard, looking glam, and turns out to be a vintage, an absolute vintage, just like how now you'll be seeing something.
Thank you.
gorgeous, more awesome, and a bona fide personality. Cheers to your version 4.0. You're the friend we adore, the siblings we fear just a tiny bit, the Masi whose advice matter more than moms, and the girl we are all pretending not to be jealous of. So happiest 40th Mittu, we love you very much, and equally do we love your version 4.0. The glow is real, the filter is off, and looking forward for the next era also. Just imagine 5.0. Oh my god, it would be shaking. If this is 40 is so fierce, then I know 50 would be unstoppable. But before going there, let's move to the version 4.0. Let us show you how she is in this new era. 4.0, how she is. Moving around, just completely doing stuff, right? Staying 9 to 5 from the morning to the night, 12. And how does it go? All about. Let's see. Yeah. This era.
Me, I forgot my phone. She's always on her phone. Discussing.
No, just imagine, this is also one glitch, okay? Because she does so many things she forgot. क्यों phone भी लेना था?
मेरी surprise party. Oh God, मुझे stress हो रहा है मेरा dress. सुनो, सुनो. He always does this. Sumu this, Sumu that. Everything has to be perfect.
Miss Perfect.
Miss Perfect and ultimate diva.
Okay, so this was the 4 era which we could show, and as I said, how the era would go ahead, continuing, and so kudos to the girl who doesn't need a crown, and you know why? Because she is the pro. Yes. Happiest 40th Mittu. We all love you, and we are blessed to have you in our lives. In every different role you play, as a mother, as a sister, as cousins, as siblings, as a daughter-in-law, as a daughter, we all are blessed to have you. Stay the same, and we love you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dipti, for this amazing journey.
जादू मंतर, हाँ मंतर, तुझे सायो जी हाय तुझे कमल
things to show her, okay? So, we would like to say this one thing to you. Birthday girl, तुसी great हो, तोहफा कबूल करो. Thank you everybody. Please come and clap. Please come here. Please come
Beyond the shores, don't forsake this life of yours. I've got you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me someone had to slip away. When I was just a kid, I heard him say, when I'm real and wild, he said one day you'll leave this world behind, but don't live a life you will remember.
See, the crowd is cheering more for Manish.
once tried, always used.
Alright, totally. Okay, Nick, but in return, you showered me with so much love and so many blessings that I wouldn't be able to reciprocate it in this life even if I tried. From being your gut key to your now furniture, मुझे आपके सामने हमेशा रहेगा कपड़े पहनने का डर. Jokes aside, I've learned so much from you. I've learned that when shopping, you have to change fast. I've learned that your face makes a face when I say I don't like a certain skirt. I've learned that Diha, are you mad? That piece is totally worth. I've learned how to live the best life even when you're getting old. I've learned how to call your nieces and nephews when you're partying uncontrolled. I've learned resilience, I've learned hope, I've learned how to be at your loved one's side through every slippery slope. You've been by my side through thick and thin. You've helped me be comfortable in my own skin. I don't have words to describe the love I feel for you. To be as fun-loving, caring and effortlessly beautiful are traits only held by few. I hope you don't ever change and that smile on your face is intact. Why would anybody want to mess with a person who's almost perfect and slightly cracked?
She's always there, with a warm smile and a loving care. The moment I step inside, her love surrounds me like a comfortable blanket. Her guidance, wisdom help me through the life. With every step she's there, support me, come what may. I'm grateful for her sacrifices and I love her that she has shown. My mom is my hero forever and my heart forever my own. My mom is a true superhero, solves problems with heart, from studies to school to family's needs. She handles it all with ease and deeds. With a smile and a loving care, she saves the day with a snap. No challenge is too big, no task is too small. My mom goes through this all.
So I'm just going to repeat the same thing what I've written in the book. Happy birthday, Mitu. Wish you a great day. My girl, you have a pension for celebrating your birthday in the grandest manner. Leave alone the birthday, you like to celebrate the week or the month itself. Just when the July gets by and August says hi. Want the days to fly and your birthday spirit so high. But mind you, ab ho gayi 240. It'll become difficult for me with your back and foot malish. अब देना थोड़ा ज़्यादा खुद पे ध्यान. Like always, बख्श मुझे with your unwanted ज्ञान. Unwanted stress, anger, mood swings. ये तो सब है अपने यंत्र. Let's relax and chill, baby. It's the only mantra. At Charlie's, love you to the moon and back sounds so cheesy. Let's say I'll be there for you. Isn't it so easy? For now that you're turning 40, endless love for you, cutie with 40. Love you, Bacha.